Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Does Rebuild Database delete everything PS4? Originally answered, does the option, Rebuild Database, on my PS4 delete my screenshots and videos? It should not delete anything. It is similar to what disk defragment is on a PC. It rearranged items and files for better, quicker access. Why is the PS4 so laggy? PS4 running slow can be ascribed to a slow internet connection. So, follow these tips below to improve your PS4 running speed during gaming sessions. Tip 1. Use a Wi-Fi signal if the signal is very weak or move the console closer to the router. Tip 2. Use Ethernet connections over Wi-Fi if possible.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.